You may be focused on tariffs, energy, or food prices, but some Canadians believe there's another election issue that should be getting more attention. Home and auto insurance rates are rising drastically after a slew of natural disasters. And as some providers pull out of Calgary, it's a problem that needs addressing. Tim Brooke explains.
It was just Azad Bir Hayer's car that was damaged during Calgary's last major hailstorm. But these days, his home is also under some stress.
My house does not have any hailstorm damage or any roof damage due to the hail, but we fall under those area codes that they have suspended the insurance for.
When Hayer went to renew his home insurance, he says his provider told him it was no longer insuring in his postal code. And other alternative companies have quoted him thousands of dollars more than he's currently paying.
It was kind of shocking for me. Then I tried to went online, and then they mentioned the same thing.
Hours away in Jasper, insurance is also on the mind of Ron Sabitko. He lost his home to wildfire last summer.
Now we're working with the insurance companies to get the okay for the rebuilders to build our homes. So we're waiting for all that.
It's a back and forth that Canadian consumers are getting fed up with.
So in some cases, just common sense would probably go a long way.
An acceleration in the intensity and frequency of natural disasters has led to Canadians being exposed, according to the Insurance Bureau.
So after what we've witnessed in the past decade, with over 1 million homeowners affected, with over $30 billion in direct losses, it simply, this should be an election issue.
Parties have discussed changes, but none have tagged insurance as a priority. That doesn't make sense to one Calgarian who has had to file 4 separate hail damage claims.
And if insurance companies are going to be turning us away from that because they're not making a profit, maybe we need to look at that model again.
Until there are changes, headaches will continue and pocketbooks will no doubt get lighter.
It's not just tariffs, it's also what Mother Nature is throwing at us.
Tim Brooke, CTV News, Calgary.
As far as changes, many want to see a federal candidate pitch the idea of a federal emergency management agency. They'd also like more financial support for Canadians who want to retrofit their homes.